Subjective 180-degree visual scene. 12 highways and climatic environments, 4 options. Rapid accumulation of driving experiences. Sunheart, interactive car driving e-learning machine. The interactive car driving e-learning machine is a kind of independent learning teaching tool and is specially designed to meet the needs of continuing education from drivers and passenger and freight drivers who have just got the driving license and those drivers engaged in special driving activities. E-learning machine uses integral design of visual system and simulated driving cabin. The interactive visual system can realize the subjective 180-degree angle and make the driving immersion and simulation stronger. E-learning machine is divided into 3B1 big car type and 3B1 small car type. The visual system can be used in both of them. Only by adjusting the stimulated cabin, you can switch the car type. The e-learning machine has 3 teaching modules, i.e. Adaptation Practice Module, Teaching Implementation Module, and Examination and Evaluation Module. In the Adaptation Practice Module, there are 10 stimulated highways. To avoid the spinning sensation caused by the stimulated driving process, trainees can spend 10 to 30 minutes on getting familiar with the component operation and experience the stimulated driving before they start learning. In the Teaching Implementation module, there is stimulated emergency action training. The training consists of emergency response training and stimulated mission training. The training consists of emergency response training and stimulated mission training and covers 40 emergency situations and 20 driving missions. The case-type teaching offers 150 domestic classic traffic accident cases in the recent 3 years and presents them to the trainers through 6-step case teaching method. In the Examination and Evaluation module, the system will offer diagnostic examination and evaluation, formation-based examination and evaluation, and summary examination and evaluation. The module is suitable for different training phases, such as pre-training, end of different phases, and end of overall training. The accident proneness examination and evaluation is mainly used to identify the driver's potential accident proneness. The e-learning machine provides trainees with a series of learning methods and content for them to choose freely, so that they can rapidly enter the autonomous learning status. Besides, they can not only fully experience and feel the damage caused by traffic accidents, but also deeply understand the reasons for accidents, accumulate the risk prevention methods for emergency, and promote the basic skills for safe driving, so as to accelerate building the psychic structure of trainees' safe driving ability and morality, and prevent and reduce traffic accidents.